welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on this wonderful, beautiful day, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is speaking about Ashanti 360. Basically, she said that he was having a little session on her on his page, and she came out for him. She wanted him to know basically that if he took himself from Florida to come to New York and to go to her address where she is currently at, her boss's address, then she will ensure that he is arrested for that. So guys, go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Remember, you have to hit that. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And a happy, happy birthday. And for all my other supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, and family, have yourselves a beautiful day. Remember that sometimes trouble no set like rain. So if we continue to run down trouble, then picnic shot can't go fit way. So in this case, or in other cases, we have to ensure that we're not running down the trouble, not trying to get involved in things that is not meaningful to us. Now, no matter what you go through, if it's not on a physical level, if you've never seen the person before, stay away, because we do not know what can happen when you are involved in a physical alteration or you're face to face with that person. Remember, when trouble catch we, picnic shot fit we sometimes, but it's not all the times that happens. So when you see trouble, walk away from it. Do not try to go and create trouble for yourself, because I know every police are gonna let you go. Remember, we should think as adults and not play games as kids. Yes. Have a wonderful day, guys.
Anybody call you and tell you what has been going on social media? I was like, me know, said the woman at Portland I try to drag me down and attack her and something. She said no. She said the 1-300 keep a piece of show upon you and do some breed of something with our followers them and call your son name and do and say some breed of things with the people them name and this and that and what. And I was like, what are you saying to me? I said, it's okay. It's okay. Hold on. What them I could say, I'm going to come here. But I'm here to tell you this morning. I'm here to tell you this morning. I'm going to call her name 360. Your days are numbered. You know, 360 is a satanic number. It's not a good number. I mean, know and you know, say your life is very short. I know, and a lot of people know, that you're very sick. And let me tell you something. Me hear them say you come at this house. I want you to come at this house. I want you to come at this house. You know which part me there? Me want you come here. Me want you scream, shot it. Me just want to see a picture of evidence that you come to this house, because you surely will be getting arrested for trespass. You see, this is a neighborhood where me here. This is a protected neighborhood. And you see through me know, so when me report to the police department, I have your name as harassment and bullying with the FBI and the things them and the slandering. Me want you, you're down New York City, me want you to take yourself, if you think you're bad, and come to this address and let me see a slight evidence. And you post it on your page. And you will see if you can see if you don't have to run and hide for your rest of your life in New York City. Me want to see you come here and trespass and violate and harassment, because that will be a definitely harassment for you to leave out of one different state that known by your driver's license and your address to come here, knowing the fact that I've been complaining about you, making report on you, and you come here all the way to Ushpat from my workplace. I am dying. I mean, I am dying for you to come to my workplace and post it online. Me here say go on with one back. Listen, At 2 a.m., a lady called me this morning, you know. Because when I saw the phone ringing, you know, I saw the number and I thought the number was my girlfriend calling from Florida. That's why me answer, because me not really program her name in my new phone. So so me pick up the phone and I realized it was a supporter, and she was so upset. I don't know what you people trying to prove. If you feel like, say, if me lose this job that I am filling in for somebody, you think that I'm going to be homeless. Me not go drive no more. Me not go a restaurant no more. Me not go have my man no more. Me not go have no money no more. I don't know what you people thinking. I don't know what you people thinking. I don't know what you people thinking. You people need to go back into my videos. You need to analyze my video and my life and see who Marcia is. What do you think you guys are doing? You think say una can come and try to box bread out of my mouth and get away with it for 2024? Not under my dead body. Una have to kill me first. Una have to go kill me first. Let me tell you that. Una have to go, if una believe so una can box bread out of this amount here, with my sheet them and any little nicks dacks when me ever do, and feel like so when can come on social media and call that blogging. Me not even argue with you. Take your blood clot and come to this house if you think you need Gavin Salmon. That's all me have to say to you. If you think you do what you want to do, if you think your blood clot bad, come to this house, come video. Like when you go on a sheet company, go on video when me in a shop. I'm in a shop at Jerusalem. If you so desperate for YouTube money, what when I do when I can't bring me down? The only thing the people them can say, okay, Marcia, there's so many things going on social media, let them get somebody else to fill in for the lady. That is it. What you think so I come back in my video, come yam, drink, go to my man, go out on weekend and sleep out the door? You think that it will happen? One of the reasons why I'm glad for this work here was to get my truck fixed. And right now I carry my truck, but drop it off. That was the main thing for this job. Is to get my truck fixed out of this and get some stuff done. You see, once my truck fixed, I can't do what I want to do. I may have my pay at $200 my home. I pay down my money every day. I have a receipt in my truck. Because this truck is what make money for me. This truck can take me anywhere in the United States. Because in an excellent condition. I don't know what things I want to trying. Because I'm telling you, somebody is going to get them ass into trouble. And I want you and the other woman to get themselves into trouble. Because if you feel like, I don't know. I don't know what I feel. American citizen, honey. I will tell you that. Me have 4 brothers in the United States, family and friends and brother all over. I don't know what things say. Wanna try this Ross in a woodland village? Wanna try to sabotage my sheep business? Wanna try to do all kind of rubbish? All kind of something wanna try to do. And make me come out better than ever. Better than ever. Una things me like homeless and the pan road. Me go check myself into a Marriott Resident Inn and stay for 5 months. Not 1 day, not 2 weeks. 5 months what una can do. 5 whole months. Una people una tie down. Una tie down. Me don't know if una have no family band. Me have my family them. And me a big woman. Me know my way out. Me don't know what wanna take me for. I want you to keep up your fuckery where you are going with on social media. And the number one thing, me want you take your blood clot and come to the house. Me want you come to the house. And me want Satan send you come here. And that me want. Me want Satan send you come here or anyone on a blogging page where me see with any form of picture will come right to the house and take the picture and have evidence or a video and post that on social media. Me want you come in this Ross neighborhood spot me there. Me want you step up and come to this house here Last night, me talked to the son them. We had a meeting last night and talked to the son. Me want you come here. Him said, yes, tell you to come. Tell you to come. Yeah, tell you to come. Because idiot people me I mess with. Tell them to come. Come. Them are people are linked with governors and mayors and all these big shot people. Come. Me want you to come interfere with this family. Come. Me poor, them not poor. I want you to come. Send on the text messages and all of the messages when I want to send on Facebook page messenger. Send, come. Come. We just come off of the phone with him this morning. Come. I want you to come here. Come. And you just see how quick the police department find you. If you think you can't hide, you make a sad mistake. If you think, say, no Jamaicans can't hide, this is some severe, highly jealousy of Marcia. This is not no conspiracy. This is jealousy. Because I don't know say me have somewhere to go. I don't know say me have my little money. If I even $100, I can't find it. So me not broke. You understand? Me is American citizen, me can't get any help when me want to get. I don't say me have caca eye, I don't say me eye blind. That means that me can't get disability. Me not ask no. Don't even try it. Me want you to take foot. Me want you to make Duppy frighten you. And me want you to come at this house to spot me there. And me want you to come post it on social media. Me want you to come here and come post it on social media. I dare you. You have to go down this area. You have to go down. 360, you have to go down this area. Me not ask you. But give up yourself at the police station because police is waiting for you. Maxine a warrant out for you and all kind of something. And you can't show yourself. You don't have nowhere to live. I grudge me for my apartment what I have and grudge me for the fact that I have one I stay on my work until I go home. And you don't have none. You grudge me for my pussy if you know say God make you for a man and you're upset about it because you don't have a pussy and a breast and use a body man. I grudge me for me sex. You want to be a woman so bad, you don't even have a man voice. You don't even have a man voice. Me not have nothing to say to one Erica no more. Me not have you dirty pussy landlord. Me not have nothing more to say to you. And the last time me I talk to you, me not have nothing more to say to you from today. Go on with your antics. Me not have nothing else to say to you. Me done. And you start this fuckery. Me not have nothing more to say to you. Make me close my lips. Me come tell you right now. Go on with what you want. Go on with me, Marcia Campbell. I have nothing to say to you. But you 360, me want you to come here. Me want you to come here and me want you to come here so and posting. Me want you to go. Me never see when you go to Jerusalem because I don't know where Jerusalem is. I don't shop at Jerusalem. Me not stop sell my sheet them for the price that me I sell them for. Right now they're on sale. $30 for queen, $35 for king, $25 for full, for twin, and $27 for full. And that is my price. And me not drop it. God them sheet are worth every penny. Me, the people that we are selling sheet them sell with on a wholesale price so we can go to make our money. Me have to buy box, me have to buy tape, me have to run up and down, me have to buy gas put in my car, me have to do all of that. When you work out, you get no profit. Me have to pay taxes when me go ship off them or something here. Yesterday I went and shipped back some boxes, 2 boxes in the post office and a Philadelphia to go. And if it has $80 for 2 boxes. For the two, and plus me had to buy boxes to put them in. Right now I have to ship one sheet to California and 2 other one. And a post office me and go done go check off the truck. You understand? So if you don't think say me coming at this business you have to lose. Me have to come in and come make $1, $5, or $7 or $8 for the profit. And that is no profit. Because when you're out here, when people come on social media and sell clothes and bleaching cream and handbag, them triple the price. $150 $80 handbag. I sell for $300. When them go place, go Manhattan and go on Facebook, go Isam, send for up on China for $50, $80, and come back and sell it for $300 and $400. And the bag them now last. I don't understand how I go on. We just a reconnect because a traffic me stuck in right now. Back up to back up right now. Traffic. I'm selling sheets and quilts. That's what I'm selling. Whatever you want, fit say me I do.